Every morning, we get a chance to be different, a chance to change, a chance to be better. Our past is our past. We should leave it there and have faith for a better tomorrow. With these motivational lines, a brightest morning to everyone present here. I, Minakshi Chaudhary, with my classmates, welcome you all in today's morning assembly. Let us talk to God Almighty, the creator of the earth, world, and universe. Let's start our assembly and pray to God. So, everybody, join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. After prayer, being a citizen of this country means to protect, defend, and be loyal. The Pledge of Allegiance stands for freedom that our country has fought for. Let us recite the pledge with dignity and pride of our country. And for pledge, I would like to invite Veer from class 8. Thank you, Veer. It's helpful for everybody to have a good and motivated morning. It's because how we start our day tends to set the tone for the rest of the day. So, to brighten our morning, I would like to invite Shipra from class 8 for today's thought. Good morning, everyone. My name is Shipra. Thought of the day is the man who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stones. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you so much, Shipra, for such a motivational thought. Making a habit of learning new words and putting them into practice always go a long way to increase our brain capacity and to expand our mind to the world around us. And now it's time to enhance our vocabulary. I would like to call Yamini from class 8 for word of the day. Good morning, everyone present here. My name is Yamini. Word of the day is operose, which means involving great labor, laborious, industrious, and diligent. Synonym of operose is tiring, dull, demoralizing. And antonym of this word is engaging, interesting, and exciting. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Yamini, for enhancing our vocabulary. We must stay up to date and informed about economical news, political news, current affairs, and happenings across India. But in the hustle bustle of life, we don't get time in the morning. Let us listen today's news headlines. For this, I would like to invite Umang from class 8. Thank you so much, Umang, for today's news update. General knowledge opens different avenues for one's seeking. It develops one's social, sensitive, reasoning, and analytical thinking skills. It's time to test and enhance our knowledge. For this, I would like to invite Ashi from class 8. Thank you, Ashi, for increasing our knowledge. Poetry gives rhythm to silence, light to darkness. It makes us think and gives us a great tool for developing ourselves. Let us enjoy poem. I would like to invite Pavitra from class 6 to recite a poem. Thank you, Pavitra, for such a nice poem. The goal of all book reviews is to give the people the tools to determine whether or not they would like to read the book. Let's proceed to some book reviews. Here is Bindu from class 9th and she will give reviews of some important story books. Thank you so much, Bindu. As we grow, our imaginations and creativity translate into art, music, and creative writing and help with critical thinking. Magic is something special and unique, and it's empower us to be able to do something that can baffle and entertain us. And let us enjoy the next one, that is a magic show. For this, I would like to invite Mr. Katiyar. Thank you so much, sir. It was so entertaining. Everyone enjoy acting. Acting is not about being famous. It's about exploring the human soul. And I know that you would definitely enjoy the next one, that is a mono act. I would like to invite Zubaid from class 9th. Thank you so much, Zubaid. We all enjoyed it. My dear friends, the world is a stage. The stage is a world of entertainment. It's time for action song. So for entertainers, here is Tanvi and Arif from class 6 to present an action song. Thank you so much, Tanvi and Arif. Our task regarding creativity help us climb our own mountains as high as possible. Creativity is the thing. The more we use, the more we have. Let's have some fun with crafting. After art and craft, the importance of any day is to enjoy it and do what we planned. It could be anything, it depends on our aims in life. As we are present in school after a long gap, time is constantly changing. So it's important to revise our life, our plans. And my dear friends, according to today's situation, what is the importance of today in our life? Let us know with Ruhmeet from class 9th. Thank you so much, Ruhmeet. And now I would like to conclude success is no accident, it is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do. And now it's time to get ready for National Anthem. Start. After National Anthem, thank you to all of you for cooperating. Have a nice day ahead.